I to really ask this question once to students. With respect to still water means what it is?
With
VBR
respect,
only. Yeah, VBR only it is. This is 4I cap. Now, you see, okay, I think everyone is able to, everyone can write. Let's get into our relative velocity. Nothing to do this one. VBR, what you write? VBR, VB minus VR. That's all, no? So what is VB bar equal to VBR plus VR bar? VBR is 4I cap, VR is 2J cap. This is the velocity of boat. Then, after getting this, velocity of wind, we know it. So what was the question that is asked? Find the direction of the flag blown over by the wind hoisted on the thing, that one. What shall I do now? I got the velocity of boat here now. In what direction the flag will flutter? In what direction the flag will flutter?
Northeast.
No, I don't want to answer I just wanted general thing here. What direction? In the direction of wind or in the direction of
Sir,
velocity
north,
of
sir.
boat? No,
north.
don't give answer. I want some general idea here. The flag will flutter in the direction of wind, or in the direction of velocity of boat, or in the direction of velocity of wind with respect to boat.
Velocity of wind with respect to boat.
That is what needed. No, there is a general idea which will help us in a lot other problems. Let's calculate velocity of the flag. This idea now. I'll write it here. What is idea? The flag flutter. Flutters means, okay, everyone, language no problem. Flutters means it starts waving. The flag flutters along the velocity of wind with respect to boat, or VWB bar. We know VW, VB and VW. We wanted VWB bar. For that, I'll bring it. VWB bar VW 6J cap six J minus 2J will be 4J minus 4I cap minus 4I cap plus 4J cap. Minus 4I cap minus 4J cap. So how the flag? Northeast minus I cap plus J cap is there, no? The flag should flutter here. So yeah, I think little bit difficult here to show. So I'll put it direction of flag here. The wind is blowing, so actually the velocity of wind with respect to boat will be like this. So the flag flutters in the direction of velocity of wind with respect to boat. Hope everyone is able to understand. So a small diagram. So the flag I'm showing, the flag should be directed. The orientation of flag should be along VW bar. It's, I think, not correct, because it should be a 3D diagram, not possible for me to show. So to some extent I'm just presenting here like this. Okay, this is, I think, the problem. In every problem these quantities will change, but this idea remains same. So what you should do, calculate the velocity of wind with respect to, how to calculate velocity of both VBR and VW. There's a formula. What is this VW? What we should call? Velocity of boat with respect to ground or bank. This is unknown, no? Will never. What will be known is VBR and VW will be known, no? VBR and VR will be known. So VB will calculate. VW is given. VWB bar will calculate. After the end of this class, you have to say, okay, sir, from afternoon 2 o'clock, simply we wasted time for your class. because we are not teaching anything very big here. Simple ideas you see. Okay, no. Scribble it first. We'll take the next one more.